All right, so finally we are here. We had booked the room via Airbnb. So let's check out how people in San Francisco live. I'm excited about it because the structure of the houses and the space is quite small, but I'm excited to see the architectural genius here. So let's check out. This is the first room, the tiny bedroom. Spacious enough, I would say. The setting is nice, and yeah, we have been given a small closet over here. That's nice. Pretty good. Let me just check out the seat. And yeah, this is comfortable enough. I guess for the kids' room, this is kind of good. Then comes the second room. Oh, I can see these wirings here. Yeah. And again, 2 chairs with a lot of space for the bed. Yeah, spacious room. I would say that this one is more spacious as compared to the other one. We have been given these side tables and yeah, walk-in closet. Let's check it out. All right, the baby seat and humidifier is also provided. I'm glad to see that. Can you please take a shot of that fancy light? Right. Then we have this ironing space, I guess. Yes, this is the ironing space and a small shoe rack. I'm impressed. I would certainly say that. Then the washroom. Okay, this one looks a little bit small, but I'm glad to see the products. So they have given us shampoos, conditioner and body wash. Nice. What is this? All right. Nice. So we can actually clean our clothes as well. This is, I guess, the small dining area with a lot of cupboards. Have they given us something to eat? Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, they have actually provided us with some masalas and stuff, the dairy stuff that we can use. Nice. So the microwave and everything has been given. Good, really nice. I guess that is the purpose of the Airbnb, right? You feel like home. Whenever you go to the new surroundings, you feel like home, and it's just adjusted to your comfort level. I'm liking it. And the living area, oh my god. So we have got this tiny breakfast area as well, and along with this we have the huge living area. It is spacious. I would say that in this floor a family of 2 can live easily, the husband, wife and the kid, because we have the kid area as well. So yeah, I guess this is pretty perfect till now, but let's see what are the other things that we can explore, because we have been given the first floor as well, right? In the American terms, this is the first floor and we have been given the second floor as well. But speaking for the Indians, it is actually the ground level and the first floor. Oh, this is what gives the house the hut structure that we can see. Oh my god. Oh, full length mirror finally. And a lot of closet area. I guess this is the main setting. And this mattress, they had told us that it was an air mattress. Yes, quite fluffy, but I don't think you can actually sleep on it, so we are not planning to do that. Oh, the bathing area, the bathtub as well, and they have given us some fabulous products, CeraVe and the body wash again, Dove body wash. In fact, the Aveeno moisturizing lotion, I have used it. So yeah, they've given the best quality products, and I guess yes, this is it. And let's check out the other one, the other bedroom, the last bedroom. I was saving it for the last because I wanted it to be the best. Let us see. All right. I guess the bedroom, the master bedroom as it was supposed to be, it is quite small. Look at that view. The window. My God. Look at that view. The bedroom is quite small as it was supposed to be the master bedroom. It is quite small, but I like this glass concept. The sunlight coming in directly, and maybe you can see the clouds go by at night or something like that, maybe stars at night as well. We'll figure that out. But yes, I like this concept, direct sunlight coming into your bedroom. And of course we have been given with the TV we had there as well. Oh, this is the drawback, that this bed is connected to the master bedroom. So basically, whosoever occupies this particular area has to be only one couple. One couple can occupy this whole huge room, huge area. So that's the problem. That's the problem, I would say. Apart from that, I guess everything seems fine. The washroom, the cleanliness, everything is good. We'll see. Alright. I guess this is the most amazing part of the house. We've got this balcony, and we were so tired that we did not explore it earlier. But yes, this is the most beautiful part of the house. And I guess we should take a view from that as well. It is a small garden. We can visit that area also. I guess at nights we would be sitting here and enjoying the wind. And we can also have, family dinner over here. If we are left with some energy, we can cook as well. We have been given some basic ingredients by the house owner. Yes, this is it. And I guess, wow, the sunlight. I'm loving it. The weather is pretty cool. It's windy, so you cannot feel the warmth of the sun. But yes, you can still feel that there's no winter as such. So I'm liking it. I would just sit here, I guess, and spend hours. Let us wait and watch how it works out. But I would like to spend some time here.